If you hear traffic noises in this video, I'm not to be blamed. It's a vlog and I'm not going to use my microphone and the tripod and everything. It's too much of a hassle. Anyway, what's up you guys? It's Aditi. Welcome back to our channel and good morning. I don't know my salam kyun thok rahi hu, but it's a new semester. Old me. Not gonna change the way I am for this new semester, but everyone wanted to know how I actually study. So I thought कि मैं एक vlog के form में दिखा सकती हूँ, you know. So to begin with, I have to say that you have to attend lectures. Like, I know there are people who study 2 days before the exam, a month before the exam, a week before the exam. I'm not that person. I prefer start studying a few months before the exam. So my exam is going to be in May. So I at least would want to start studying by February at least. Firstly, attend lectures, because if you don't attend lectures, you won't know what is going on and it will be difficult for you to catch up later and study all of it at once. So if you attend lectures, you know what is going on, which topics are done, which chapters are over, what is the portion, vagera vagera. And then I always sit with my textbook during the lecture and I mark things that they spoke about, the professor spoke about. So I know which topics are done. So I always take a post-it. I write the topics down that I need to do. And then I take this post-it and I have this nice wooden cupboard here, so I'll just put the post-it on here. So or whenever I'm on the computer and not studying, this is always here looking at my face and making me feel guilty. Why am I not studying? Why am I not studying? So I always do that. That is one big step in how I make myself study sometimes and how I start studying. So after I'm done doing this thing, I try not to have too many post-its here because it just gets too overwhelming for me. कि बाप रे बहुत करना है, then I don't feel like doing anything. I think it's a very weird thing to do, but that's just me. So I try to have just like 2 to 3 post-its here because it's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff. And I try to study what is taught on that day, on the very same day. So today they taught about say theories of intelligence. Then I would sit after the class and study that, because when you are attending lectures, you are supposed to pay attention. And when you pay attention, you understand what is taught. Jaisa bhi teacher ho, just try to make the best out of what you have. And when you go home and read it again, it becomes a little clearer in your head. कि अच्छा that topic का मतलब ये था वगैरह वगैरह. So that's what I do. So I always go home. That analogy doesn't work anymore, does it? So after I'm done with class, I'll take a break or something, or maybe in the evening or whatever, whenever I feel like, I will sit and I will read the textbook, that topic, and understand it. Also, I like to put kind of like a deadline or like a time limit on each task. So I will take, say, one post-it and I'll say that I'm supposed to finish this post-it jitna bhi hai in 1 week, and I have to do it, whatever it is. So do something like that. If the post-it doesn't work for you, then you can have a diary. I've tried a lot of ways. This is something I used to do a lot. Like when there was no cupboard like this, I used to put it on the first page of my textbook, or I used to have a diary. Last term, I used to put it on a diary, like a journal or whatever you want to call it, a notebook, anything. Or I also tried using Notion app. I just use it for YouTube stuff, but I tried using that as well. So do what works for you, figure it out, try different ways and stick to it if it works for you. it's after lunch now, and I generally would read a book and just take a nap, or if I have tuitions, then I do that. But today I have a stats lecture at 3:10, so I thought that I'll just read because, like I said last week, I did not study at all. So I think that I'm just going to read the topic that was taught last Thursday so I can be prepared and understand a lot better whatever is going to be taught today. So that's what I'm going to do. Another thing I want to tell you is that I tend to read the textbook at least twice. At least twice, because when you first read it, you just read it without highlighting anything, marking anything, just read it. So when you're reading it for the first time, you realize कि अच्छा ये important है, ये इतना important नहीं है, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. And when you read the second time, that is when I will actually highlight and underline and make some notes and jot down whatever is not there in the textbook, but it was given by or explained by my professor. So that's what I do when I do the second reading. So it takes a long time, I know, and that's the reason why we have to start studying a little before the exam, like a lot before the exam. When the topic is taught, you're going to read that topic once on that day. And if it's possible, you can read it again on the very same day, but I will not suggest that. Maybe you can do the second reading during the weekend or something like that, but not too long, like maybe the next day even, when that's perfect, because we tend to start forgetting things the second we learn them, like within the first hour we learn them, and we just want to avoid it. So the day you are taught a topic, you're going to read it for the first time. Then maybe a day or two later, you're going to do the second reading. So I'm just going to go and do this now. Anyway, so it's like 2:30 right now. I still have like 40 minutes. So I'm just going to continue watching The White Tiger. I was watching that while having lunch. So I'm just going to continue doing that. I've read the book and I remember not liking the book so much. But the movie, it seems interesting. It has given me very Parasite vibes. If you have watched the South Korean movie Parasite, then you would know it won the Oscars, if I'm not wrong. And I did watch that movie and मतलब अपने level की नहीं है. It's like beyond, it's out of this world. Like it makes reality stand in front of you and you have to like look eye to eye with it. It's brilliant. And White Tiger is kind of giving me those vibes, like the movie. I don't remember how the book was. Maybe I was too immature when I read the book. Maybe that's why. So I'm just going to continue doing that till I have my stats lecture. So it's the evening and I never feel like studying in the evening. I don't know what it is, but I just don't. So I don't push myself unless it's the exam the next day or something like that. And this wasn't always the case. So when I used to study earlier, like 5-6 years ago, I used to do time blocking and that really helped me. So I used to plan out like, okay, in the morning from 10 to 12, I'm going to study this topic. Then from 2 to 4 in the afternoon, I'm going to study this topic. And then from 5 to 7 or 5 to 9, I'm going to study this topic. And that used to work really well for me. But that doesn't work for me anymore. So I decided to shift my focus, my perspective, and now I focus on my mental energy. So morning is a time when I feel the most productive, and I feel like I can get a lot of things done. I feel productive. I feel like I can focus a lot better, and I can concentrate more. So morning is a time when I try to get all of it done. So this is what I believe, that time does not equal mental energy. And if you want, I'll make a separate video on this. But see what works for you. So try time blocking. I used to use Google Calendar to time block. So you try doing that if that works for you. If it doesn't, then try to figure out when do you feel the most productive and use that time to study more or to work more or whatever that you do. So, like I said, it's the evening and I'm not going to study. It's the new semester, not a lot of portion is done, so I can kind of chill. And since 2021 has started, I've decided to move my body a little bit. And as we can't actually go out like Zumba classes or something like that, I've decided to do exercises at home. Not much, like 15-20 minutes tops. But today I guess I won't do that because I need to go and buy this one textbook that I didn't get. I had gone to that bookstall wala like 4-5 days back and that book wasn't available, so he said 4 din ke baad aana, which is today. So I'm gonna go today in the evening when the sun sets and take a long walk and I'll get back. So it's nighttime, it's around 10:30ish. If you think I'm wearing kajal, then I am. I apply Himalayan kajal sometimes because my eyes feel a little irritated. I spend way too much time in front of the screen, so that happens. I know I need to get blue light glasses, and maybe someday I will. But for now, it's night, and after taking a walk or exercising or whatever, I chill more. Yeah. And or maybe I'll edit because that's one thing I need to do. If my mom's free, then I make her sit and I explain concepts to her. And I cannot stress on this enough because explaining something or teaching a topic or a chapter to someone, it makes our brain think about that concept a little differently because you have to simplify the concept, you have to use simple language so that the other person can understand who knows nothing about this. So it's a great way to revise, and I have done this so many times. So I do that. So maybe you can call a friend or a video call a friend or someone, cousin, jo bhi hai, whoever you can hold hostage, just do that. That's great. I tend to do this at night. That's when she's actually free from all of her work. So yeah, and right before sleeping, I just like catch up on reading, meditate, on something to wind down actually. You can check all of that in my sleep video. I'll just put it in one of the I buttons. You can check that out. Yeah, I'm just gonna go sleep. I'm too tired. Vlogging is hard. So give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel, join the community, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you next Friday with another psychology video.